Alright class, good morning, happy Thursday. Today we're going to do a little review of the historical trends and patterns and policies and events that have taken place regarding immigration in the United States throughout its history. Our agenda for today, first I just want to tell you what the essential questions are for this unit on immigration. After that I have 3 review materials for you that you can use to help you study, because next Monday you will have a quiz, as you can see here at the bottom. I'm putting that in quotes because I'm not sure yet whether or not I'm going to make it an actual quiz grade or if I'm going to make it just a larger classwork grade. I will let you know for sure on Monday. Be prepared either way. Otherwise, the rest of the plan for today and tomorrow is, if you have any late missing work, get that done by Friday 3 p.m. if you'd like to earn credit for that. And if you'd like to retake your infographic responsible news project, which was a test grade, those are graded and in the grade book. You need to get that done by Friday 3 p.m. as well. So first, the essential questions, first 2 remain the same as the unit before. What's the value in studying these events and issues? How are we called to respond? Light, salt, and aroma of Christ. And then third, just taking the second question and making it a little bit more specific, is what does it look like and mean for us to love our neighbor and welcome the stranger in the United States today, April 2020? What does that really look like in a tangible way? So not just the idea of it, but also the practice of it. So we're going to talk about how we connect past immigration policy to some of the current challenges specifically the United States faces with immigration today. I have posted 3 different review materials for you to use to help you study the timeline of immigration history. My plan is to have your graphic organizer for that finished grading by the end of today, so check for that. But otherwise, I have posted 3 things for you. I'll show you them. One is a Prezi that first trimester class in current events helped create, so this was made by students, not by me. This will go through the different time periods in history and some of the key events and ideas for that, and overall that class did a pretty good job, so it's a reliable place for you to review. Otherwise, I will more specifically focus on particular events and policies through a Quizlet I've made for you and through a Kahoot. And these resources will let you know everything you need to know, especially the Quizlet and Kahoot that you'll have to know for your quiz. So do some review, because you'll have that on Monday, whether it's a classwork grade or quiz grade. I haven't yet decided. What you need to do then for Friday and today, if you have time, finish all the late missing work you have. Check PowerSchool. If you have questions about it, send me an email. Once again, that's due tomorrow, Friday, 3 p.m. Second, you may earn up to full points back on your infographics for the Responsible News Project. I left feedback for you. I filled out the rubrics, so feel free to make any updates and revisions. When you resubmit it, please leave a private comment so I know you've done it over again and I know which people did the retake and which people didn't. That is also due tomorrow, 3 p.m. And then don't forget Immigration Policy and History quiz. Well, again, there's a reason why it's in quotes. That'll be next Monday. You should be using the worksheet, which I'll grade, and then review materials as well, especially that Quizlet and Kahoot. Otherwise, if you have questions about anything, let me know. Please do take your time to do this review, and I will talk to you next week. Have a wonderful weekend.